Beck.
Morning, Clary.
How's her head this morning?
Nothing doing. Nothing doing.
We're 2 for 87. Morning, Clary.
Morning, Barry. You backing anything?
Anything worth backing? Nothing doing.
Move, Dad. Move, Clary. Move, Mick.
Boxing Day in Turnaround Creek. Nothing doing. One more day in Turnaround Creek. Nothing doing. Nothing doing.
5 bob each way on Grease Lightning.
What's happening today? Anything?
What does it look like?
I woke up with this feeling. Something's gonna happen.
On Boxing Day,
Boxing Day in Turnaround Creek.
Nothing doing. State of play in Turnaround Creek. Nothing doing. Nothing doing.
Oh, my ankles. Morning, Dad.
How are we getting on, Barry?
2 for 87, last I heard. Didn't know you were coming in this morning.
Lorna reckons today's the day.
I woke up with this feeling.
Me too.
Lorna, you woke up yesterday with the same feeling, and the day before.
But today's the day. I hope.
Three for 87.
Boxing Day in Turnaround Creek. Nothing doing. Slow decay in Turnaround Creek. Nothing doing. Nothing doing.
nothing rising but the dust.
Nothing stirring but the flies.
nothing spreading but the rust.
Nothing coming on as the old year dies.
Auntie Rainey! Look at them, like the whole place was dead. Can't you make them do something?
They're doing something, Kath. Nursing their heads from last night.
Let's make something happen!
What did you have in mind?
I don't know. A picnic?
Not exactly picnic weather, love.
There's always 100 reasons to do nothing.
The willows draggle, the she-oaks sigh.
And by the creek bed, the spring lambs die.